So a technique that I just realized that works is clean Q-tip. Clean Q-tip, add a isopropyl alcohol, 91%. Just dab it, let it drop. You don't have to flick it. You want to flick it on the screen, okay? This is nasty goo. I gotta clean that. I gotta get a new Q-tip. But you see how much there is? Like, you can see it's really like soaked. So I mean, there's like a drop. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a drop. You want to drop it in there, and then with your razor blade, just go to town, dude. And it works. Because if it was dry, how it is right now, it's a lot harder. But I'm getting the gunk off. You know, it's coming off. And it was working. It kind of feels like it's the cotton and the glue together. Like it looks really weird. It looks strange, but I think it's because I was using the Q-tips and the alcohol together and the glue that's already on the screen. That was already on the screen. Like, I just, all that mixture together with the glue, it's a sure way to make it look less clean. Oh God, I'm like, my back is actually hurting from like, but it's a good way to, save some money. I mean, who's gonna give me $80 to fix a screen, So this is money saved. Like, I don't have to spend the money on that. And yes, I am dropping a lot of alcohol on it. I don't care about wasting the alcohol or using excess of alcohol, because it's gonna dry off anyway, and it's helping me clean with the razor. It's getting there, dude. And honestly, I'm really proud of getting this. There it is. Look at that. Ew. So another dab. There's got to be an easier way to dab this, though. I'm gonna try to find an easier way. Let's see if that'll work, because the swabs ain't doing it for me. Ain't cutting it right now. Look at that. There it is. Fuck it, whatever. As long as it cleans. That is definitely glue. You could tell it's just glue. Look at that. That's some booger sugar. And to be honest, I'm wearing like jeans right now. So I'm like wiping on my jeans, which is, I shouldn't be doing that. You know, I shouldn't be wiping it on my jeans. But whatever, they're jeans, you know, that shit'll come off. That's actually, I don't know if you guys knew that jeans were not meant to be fashionable. They were actually meant for the working class, you know, because well, that's what people wear to go to work. And I think it was like the 1940s, actually the 1950s, when like rock and roll was like popular and stuff. And people decided to rebel against people who are rich, I guess, the whole system of being like rich and powerful. And the youth really enjoyed the blues, enjoyed the working class music, you know, and the culture. And because of that, they decided to rebel against their parents, against their grandparents, against tradition of having, you know, money and stuff like that. And it became fashionable to wear jeans. And now there's people that, which I think is funny, they pay like $300 to $400, maybe even more, $1,000 for a pair of jeans, which is like crazy to me because that is way too much fucking money, dude. It's coming off so easy with the alcohol, dude. This is crazy. Like, I wish you guys could see it the way I do, because with the alcohol and the razor blade, bro, it's like magic, dude. I gotta get that. It looks like booger, dude. That's crazy. But it's glue, you know? It's almost there, dude. And I'm gonna get to finish. But I did notice there's a crack right here, which is why there's like the LCD's like has one like line going through it, and I'll show you guys the line when I turn it on right now after I try to clean it off the best I can. But look, it looks, dude, if you guys look at my other videos, you're gonna see how clean this looks. Like, this is like polishing a diamond, you know? Like, this is getting to the point where it's like now we're getting to the point where I'm almost gonna put the polarizer in, which is nice, you know? It's dope. Like I'm finally gonna be able to do it. But there's like these little details that are really bugging me right now, and I don't know. What the heck? Oh god, there's way too much alcohol in this thing. I got a little fan right here, so I'm not gonna blow on it. This little, I bought this little fan off of Temu. On Temu, it looked like a grown person size of fan, right? And when I got it, look at it, bro. It's like the size of a hand, less than the size of a hand, like. But it works as long as it works. I was gonna return it, and I was like, man, no, I'm just gonna keep it. I don't care. Like I'll just use it in, like on my desk or whatever. My home desk. Not my office desk, but my home office desk. I don't know. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. I'm like really spaced out because I've been doing this for like a few hours. And I know I should have took a lot less if I knew better, but I didn't rewatch the video of the guy who originally fixed the LCD screen like this or repaired it. So, you know, there's just some stuff you just gotta do. Like, sure, instructions are good, and they are, but you gotta get started. If I was really stuck, I could just always go back to that video and it's fine, you know? But to be honest, if I would have watched the video right now, I would have never started because I would have been kind of discouraged, like, oh, I gotta do this, I gotta do that. And instead of like thinking about it, just go through it. Just go through it instead of thinking I gotta go through this, gotta go through that. Just go through it. You know, you'll figure it out. And it's kind of like most electronics, honestly. Like, if you're stuck, somebody else already figured it out. Someone that's an expert, you know? Someone that's an expert already figured it out. And all you gotta do is look it up. And yes, you do gotta dig. You do gotta change your words. You might even have to get Chat GPT or some educational thing on Google or some like Reddit post or whatever, but it doesn't matter. Like, all you gotta do is get started. That's all that really matters. And now it's clean. Now, I would fire it up right now. I would fire it up right now. I would. But I know in this area, since I've been dropping a lot of alcohol, I know that it has alcohol in it somewhere. I can't tell right away, but I know there's alcohol somewhere seeped in there in between this little film. So I'm not gonna mess with that. No way. So, but it's gonna look good. It's gonna look cool. You know? We'll see, man.